How good is your Italian? If you know all 15 words in this video, you can call yourself the Italian Maestro. Here is how it works. For each question, you'll see 3 possible meanings. You have got 3 seconds to pick the right one before I reveal the answer. But here is the catch. To make sure these words stick, I'll show them in real sentences, throw in some fun facts and some special tricks so your brain locks them in for good. The levels go from A1 to C2. Ready? Fire, aim. Drop your answers in the comments. Let's see how far you get. Question number 1. What does ciao originally mean? A. Hello and goodbye. B. Friend. C. Your servant. The correct answer is C. Your servant. It comes from the Venetian phrase ciao vostro, meaning I am your servant. Question number 2. Which is true about salve? A. It's only used by priests. B. It's a formal greeting. C. It means goodbye. The correct answer is B. It's a formal greeting, more polite than ciao. It comes from Latin. It means be well. Question number 3. Which of these is not a meaning of prego? A. You are welcome. B. Please. C. I pray. The correct answer is B. Please. Italians don't use prego to say please. Let's move up on to the next level. A2 B1 intermediate, getting tougher. Okay, so what does allora mean? A. Hurry up. B. So, well. C. At this hour. The correct answer is B. So, well. Italians use it all the time. Allora, per me una pizza e una birra. Question number 5. What does bo mean? Bo. A. I don't know. B. I agree. C. Go away. The correct answer is A. I don't know. The most Italian way to be clueless. Be careful. Italians use it only in informal settings. Dov'è Mario? Boh. Question number 6. What does figurati mean? A. You are welcome. B. Imagine that. C. Both. Figurati. The correct answer is C. Both. It depends on the tone. Ah, figurati. Figurati. Ah, figurati. Ah, no, figurati. Ah, grazie mille. Ma figurati. Ha detto che ha imparato l'italiano in una settimana. Figurati. Question number 7. What does roba mean? A. Clothes. B. Stuff, things. C. Money. The correct answer is B. Stuff, things. That's a fun fact. Italians use roba all the time instead of saying cose. For example, che roba è? Che roba è? No, what is this stuff? Ma che roba è sta musica? No, non si capisce niente. But now, let's make it a bit harder, shall we? Who said no? B2-C1 advanced, almost fluent. Question number 8. What does magari mean? A. Maybe. B. I wish. C. Both. The correct answer is both. Magari can mean both depending on the context. Magari domani vengo. Hai vinto la lotteria? Magari. Magari domani andiamo al lago se fa bel tempo. Magari. Question number 9. What does mi sa che mean? A. I think. B. I know for sure. C. It's an insult. The correct answer is I think. It's a softer way to express an opinion. Mi sa che oggi salto la palestra. Sono distrutto. Question number 10. Oramai. What's the best translation? A. Never again. B. Now or never. C. At this point. The correct answer is C. At this point. But remember, on its own, it expresses resignation. Oramai è troppo tardi per chiamarlo. Sarà già a letto. Question number 11, B1 Everyday Conversation. What does tizio mean? A random guy. B, a bad word. C, a type of pasta. The correct answer is A random guy. A fun fact here, Italians say un tizio when they don't know or don't care about someone's name. Tizio mi ha chiesto un favore. Un tizio mi ha chiamato per strada e mi ha chiesto l'ora. Question number 12, B2 Natural and Colloquial. What does beccarsi mean in Italian? A, to catch something. B, to argue loudly. C, to save money. The correct answer is A, to catch something. A fun fact, it can mean both to catch a cold, mi sono beccato un raffreddore, or to meet up, ci becchiamo dopo. Mi sono beccato un raffreddore ieri. Let the Italian in you come out now. The next questions are for those who speak like natives. C2 level. Are you an Italian pro? Question number 13. How do Italians use ma che? A. No way. B. Yes, of course. C. I don't care. The correct answer is A, no way, super common in spoken Italian. Hai studiato tutta la notte. Ma che? Ho guardato Netflix fino alle 3. Let's move on to question number 14. What does addirittura mean? A, even, seriously. B, directly. C, absolutely. The correct answer is A. Even, seriously, Italians love exaggerating and this word is their best friend. Ha mangiato 10 fette di torta. Addirittura. Last one, the one that makes students of Italian crazy. Question number 15. What does mica mean in Italian? A little bit. B, not at all. C, maybe. The correct answer is B, not at all. A fun fact here, mica is used to negate something in a more conversational way. No? An example, non sono mica stupido. I'm not stupid at all. Non sono mica stupido. Lo so che mi stai prendendo in giro. How many did you get right? Comment your score below. If you got all 15, you are a true little maestro. Now, this was great, but if you really want to improve Italian quickly, watch this video next. Ciao!